Opportunities are usually designed as hard work, so most people don't recognize them. Success is where preparation and opportunities meet. The persistence seems difficulty in every opportunity. The optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty. Opportunity doesn't happen, you create them. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Your big opportunity may be right where you are now. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Take the opportunity and make it perfect. Opportunities are never lost. Someone will take the one you miss. Opportunity is missed by some people because it is dressed in overhaul and look like work. Optimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity and optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. Opportunities are like sunrise. If you wait too long, you miss them. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubt of today. Opportunities are the seeds of success. Opportunity is often missed because we are broadcasting the wrong signals. When one door of happiness closes, another opens. But we often look so long at the closed door that we do not see the one which has been opened for us. So keep your eyes on open door. Opportunity is not a chance, it is a choice. Thank you.